Okay, so this is a video about some local lawyers here in North Carolina called Tatum and Atkinson. Okay, they had the worst advertisement I've seen on TV. It's the dumbest thing for any lawyer to ever advertise. They advertise. They say that they come on to the commercial and they say, "There's really no excuse for drunk driving. If you're injured due to a drunk driver, then call us." It's like, wait, what do you mean? There's no excuse? Your entire job as a lawyer is to find the person that you're going to be representing not at fault. Find an argument that makes you win the case. Your job literally is to argue people. It's literally to argue. It's literally your only job is to argue and try to argue your case to where you win for who you represent. And this lawyer sitting here talking about how there really is no excuse. What do you mean? There's no legal argument at all. There are some excuses here. People can get blacked out drunk and not have any control over it, and they can crash their car and kill someone. That's kind of an excuse. It doesn't mean that they're not at fault. But it's an excuse though. That's literally your job is to make arguments. And then they have another commercial about why go to court when you don't have to. It's just like, you're a lawyer. Going to court is what you do. That's literally your job, is to go to court and win for people. That's literally your job. I don't see why anyone would ever hire these two idiots. They're two fucking morons. Tatum and Atkinson are the dumbest idiots on the face of the earth. These commercials really prove it too. They're like, really? How could you say there's no excuse? Literally coming up with an excuse, coming up with an argument is your entire job. Your entire job is to come up with an argument on why your client is right and why the other person is wrong. That's literally your only job, is to do that. And you can say there's no excuse. That means you're a terrible lawyer. You're a terrible lawyer, because there's plenty of excuses. It doesn't mean that they're not at fault still, but there's tons of excuses. To say there's no excuse is just the dumbest thing ever. That's like anti-lawyer talk. It totally goes against everything that a lawyer stands for doing. Literally, your entire job is to defend people. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you all have a glorious, magnificent, wonderful, beautiful, awesome, amazing, incredible existence and time. I'll see you all around the next video. Love you all. Bye.